In this video, you're going to learn how to create an account on Quora.com. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and go to Quora.com, type that into your browser, and then you just really want to sign up for an account. So you can sign in with Google or Facebook, or put in your email to sign up there. So I'm going to sign in with Google here, and I'm just going to sign in with a brand new account so you can see how it's going to come up. So what we want to do now is pick some of our interests. We need to pick 10 topics to continue. So I can select social media, business, maybe economics, marketing. And this doesn't need to be perfect. You can change these later on. Instagram. I've got 4 more topics to go. Web marketing. Marketing strategy, digital marketing. Okay, then click continue. And then we want to put in what topics do we know about. So we can just start to select them here, digital marketing. That's enough for the moment, just click continue. So we can find our Facebook friends if we want to. We might just click not now. And then we can follow people to see their answers. We are going to come back and do this later, so we can just unselect that. So there we go. That's simple to set up our account on Quora. Remember that even if you are setting up and you're going to be driving traffic to a company website, you still want to set up under your personal name. So now it's your turn. Go ahead, go to Quora.com and create your Quora account. You'll get it done in less than a minute like we've done here.